Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, rain guards, step rails, privacy glass, and much more. 17-inch bright machined aluminum wheels, all-season tires, recovery hooks, HID projector beam headlamps, LED daytime running lights, and a strong 8-cylinder four-wheel drive with only 42,578 miles. Bed rails, the tow package, the corner step bumper, a remote locking tailgate with assist, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row power heated leather bench seating. Cruise, AC, a locking glove box, OnStar, a large center console, door bins, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.